In this guide, we'll show you how to find and share your personal Discord profile link. If you find this helpful, consider liking the video and subscribing. To make it easy for someone to add or message you in Discord, you can send them your unique profile link. Here's how. The first step is enabling developer mode. You must first open the Discord app and tap the U icon in the bottom right. Then tap the gear icon in the top right to access your settings. Scroll down and find advanced. And here you'll see developer mode at the top. Go ahead and enable that. Up next, go to any area where you can view your profile. Something like a direct message or a server. Tap on your profile picture and it'll open up this main page. Tap the three dots in the top right and select Copy User ID. Open your Notes app and paste that link. Then in the beginning of that link, type https://discord.com/users/ and then that user ID. You can now directly copy this user ID and send it to your friends and share it with other people. This will automatically allow you to copy your Discord profile. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video.